So you might be having some issues on TikTok, or for some reason your effects just aren't working. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, maybe you're going through and finding using some certain effects within the TikTok camera application. Maybe you have a song that you wanted to add, or whatever the case was, and maybe those things aren't functioning properly as they should be. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure you're bringing in those effects properly. So in this case, we have the effects on the bottom left. We can click here, and all you want to do is make sure you have them selected properly. Because if you don't have them selected like this, that is pretty much the first thing. Make sure they are highlighted just like so. You can also, click on them just like this, and most of the time that should be it. You probably didn't click on them properly. You also want to make sure you don't double click on them just like I did. If you click on them, then you unclick on them, that's going to remove the effect. So that is the first thing I'd recommend doing, making sure you have them clicked, completely. Another thing, if you're searching for, filters and effects, you can always search for them straight within the little search panel right there. Now, another big thing to remember is that if you're rocking a very old version of TikTok, or even a version of TikTok that's been outdated for a little bit of time, you may not have those effects, and or the device you're rocking may not support them. Most of the time that is not the case, but what I would recommend doing is making your way over to your app store, and just like this, you then want to go ahead and when you get into this panel, go and click on the search bar, click up here, and just type in TikTok, and you just want to search up TikTok and just update the application as you normally would. So click right here. If you see that update panel, just go ahead and update the TikTok application, and that could end up fixing the situation as well. A majority of the time, the updates are really the only thing you probably have to take a look at. And then what you want to do, open up the TikTok app, go back through, just click on the plus button, and all you want to do here is try using the effects one more time. Now, if these still don't work, TikTok may be having an issue. There could be some glitches, and that can always happen. So you can always take a look at the comment section of this video, sort by the latest comments, see if a lot of people are saying that TikTok is down. Make your way over to Twitter and check there too. But a majority of the time, this should be fixed, and that's probably all you had to do. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.